Hello and welcome to English with LJ. I create content that is designed to help you improve your English and take you to the next level, regardless of what level that might be, whether it's A1, B1, or even C1. In this video, we're going to test your English. We're going to put your English to the test. We're going to look at spellings. Which word is spelled incorrectly? Which word is spelled wrong? I'm going to give you a number of words. One of those words will be spelt incorrectly. Can you figure out which word is the incorrectly spelt word? And also, can you spell it correct? So this is going to test your listening, your reading, your spelling. So let's go. If you need more time in order to answer the question, just press pause and then press play again when you're ready to go. I'll give you the number of words. One of those will be spelled incorrectly, and then I will give you the word which is spelt incorrect, and then I would also give you the correct spelling. So question 1, space, spice, speak, span, sprain. Space, spice, speak, span, sprain. The incorrect spelt word there is sprain, because you spell it S-P-R-A-I-N. Question 2, heart, tart, part, dart, and art. Heart, tart, part, dart, and art. And the incorrect spelt word there is heart, because you spell it with an E. Question 3, Monday, Thursday, Wednesday, Saturday, Friday. Monday, Thursday, Wednesday, Saturday, Friday, which is spelt incorrect. Saturday, because Saturday is spelt with a U, not with an E. Question 4, flower, floor, face, for, fine. Flower, floor, face, for, fine. Incorrect spelt word is face, because you spell that with a C. Question 5, receive, weird, wait, seize, neighbor. Receive, weird, wait, seize, and neighbor. And the incorrect spelt word there is receive, because although normally it is I before E, except after C, this is the others are exceptions to this rule. So weird is EI, wait is EI, and seize and neighbor, all of those have EI, whereas receive there has EI as well, but it's after C. Question 6, exit, exercise, excite, example, and expand. Exit, exercise, excite, example, expand. And it's excite, because you spell it with a C. Question 7, kite, cast, kind, king, key. Kite, cast, kind, king, key. And it's cast is the incorrect spelled word there, because it's spelled with a C. Question 8, absurd, bird, third, occurred, and word. Absurd, bird, third, occurred, word. And the incorrectly spelt word there is absurd, because absurd is spelt with a U. Question 9 is light, right, night, white, tight. light, right, night, white, tight. The incorrect spelt word there is white. It's W-H-I-T-E. Question number 10, 40, 20, 50, 60, 30. 40, 20, 50, 60, 30. And the incorrect spelt word there is 40, because although 4 is F-O-U-R, 40, you lose the U. So it just is F-O-R-T-Y. Question number 11, redress, address, stress, express, and access. Redress, address, stress, express, and access. And the incorrect spelt word there is address, because there are 2 D's in address. Question number 12, peak, weak, cheek, beak, leak. Peak, weak, cheek, beak, and leak. The incorrect spelt word there is cheek, because it's spelt with a double E instead of a E-A. So how did you do? Let us know in the comments. Did you get all of them correct? Were you able to figure out the word which was spelt incorrectly and also spell it correct? This is roughly around about kind of A2 level. So if you're able to get all of those correct, then that could be the kind of level that you're at. Well done. If you were struggling with that, then go back, do some study certainly on spelling. Your level might not be quite A2 yet, but that's fine. We're not in a competition with anybody else. We're only in a competition with ourselves to improve our English. So I have a Patreon channel if that's something you're interested in. There is a lot of material available on my Patreon channel, including tests, writings, and different materials to help you improve your English. That's what I'm trying to do, help you improve your English. There's a link to my Patreon in the description. I also have an English course available that is designed to take you from A1 to A2. It has all the fundamentals of the basics of English. It's available on all Amazon channels, and you can download it for a small fee. It's the English course, but it's also available for free on my Patreon. So if you join my Patreon, there are 3 different levels. In each of those levels, this course is free. You can have a view of it there. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to subscribe and be kept up to date with new videos, it helps the channel. So please do like and subscribe. If there is a particular video that you would like me to create, if there's a topic that you would like me to cover, just let me know. Leave that in the comments. I'll try and get to it. It's important that I design and create content that is useful and for you and will help you move to the next level, because that's what I would like to do, is help you move your English and improve your English. So thank you very much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next video.